Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Mobile smoothly. First, let's dive into optimizing your in-game settings for a seamless experience. Adjusting your graphics quality to low or medium and setting your frame rate to maximum or ultra will significantly boost performance. Remember, a steady frame rate is more crucial than ultra-high visuals for competitive play. Also, disable effects like depth of field, bloom, anti-aliasing, and ragdoll to reduce the load on your device. These small tweaks make a big difference. Next, let's ensure your device is performing at its best. Always close all background applications before starting Call of Duty Mobile to free up valuable RAM. Make sure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage space, as this impacts overall performance. Keeping your operating system updated is also vital for stability. A crucial tip: avoid charging your phone while gaming, as this can cause overheating and lead to thermal throttling, slowing down your gameplay. Now, let's refine your in-game settings for a competitive edge. Customize your HUD layout to ensure all critical buttons are easily accessible, improving your reaction time. Experiment with sensitivity settings for standard movement, aim down sights, and sniper scopes to find what feels most comfortable for your playstyle. Enabling Always Sprint provides consistent, fast movement. Additionally, adjusting your field of view to around 80 or 90 can give you a wider perspective, helping you spot enemies more effectively. Finally, let's cover some pro tips and maintenance for sustained, smooth gameplay. Always use a stable Wi-Fi connection to minimize lag and ensure consistent ping. Remember to preload shaders in your graphics settings. This helps reduce in-game stuttering. Regularly delete unnecessary in-game resources, such as maps you rarely play or excessive weapon combos, to free up space. Playing in a cool environment or using a phone cooling fan can also prevent overheating, which is a common cause of performance drops.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.